Hey guys, welcome to Eric Clean. I'm Eric and I'm ready to clean. In today's video I'm going to be doing something that many people wouldn't want to do, but we do it because we love our pets and we want a clean backyard. I hope this brings you motivation to get up and tackle these everyday tasks. Cleaning up after pets is one of those chores that can be a little unpleasant, but it helps keep our yard clean and enjoyable for everyone. Let's get through this part and then it's time for something a little more satisfying. Now that the not so glamorous part is done, it's time to focus on something a bit more rewarding. Trimming these tree branches and tidying up the yard is not only satisfying, but it also makes a big difference in how your outdoor space looks and feels. You'll see the yard come to life after a bit of cleanup. I noticed this branch was hanging over the roof, and to prevent buildup and debris to avoid any issues later on, we're going to chop right about here. A trick that I learned from my parents is to break the branches into smaller bits to fill the can, otherwise you won't fit the whole mess. Sometimes I don't understand how the backyard can get like this so fast. One minute it's amazing and beautiful, next minute you look away for a second and the weeds, tree branches, and everything's growing back. That's part of the fun things about being a homeowner. You gotta take care of it, you gotta keep doing it, but most importantly, you gotta be an adult. I know, frustrating. Also, here I'm being mindful of our neighbor's yard. Some of the tree branches were hanging over on their side. In my opinion, and how I've always been taught, is treat others how you would like to be treated. Alright, I'm not proud of how long this took for this stinking branch to get taken off, so I sped it up for you. I practically deleted like most of it just so that you can actually just see when it gets cut, so just be aware of that.
One week later.
Not gonna lie, I took a little break, but hey, we're back, so that's all that matters, right? I'm currently using a Roby 1 Plus 18V that works like a charm. It cuts through almost anything, and it's very easy to use. Not a sponsor by the way, but I would definitely recommend this product. Also, the Weed Whacker string is on sale on Amazon. That's where I got my replacement string cartridges. If anyone is wondering why it's a little bit shorter on me, just be aware that my fiance is the one that got this, so that's why it's a little bit shorter. So it's not like I just bought this and that's the reason, so no, it's definitely not supposed to be for me, but I still use it. In our backyard, we have tons of thorn bushes that keep growing out of the ground and they develop super fast. I don't recommend using a weed whacker to take these out, but I do it anyways. But with a risk, you have to understand you may get hurt, especially with something like this. For me, this thorn was cut really fast and it struck my leg. Luckily, it was just a quick sting, but you get my point. The moral of the story is you just don't want to be struck by one of these thorns. Now I'm raking up leaves, things cut from the weed whacker, and anything else. Here's the before, and here's the after. I truly love the progress we have made throughout this video. It's definitely an eye-opener to be able to see like all the little progress, all the little details. Obviously we're not fully done yet, but I'm super excited for like the time when we're actually done. See how this turned out? It looks so much better now. Like I said, not fully done yet, but hey, we're getting there. I really love doing this. I hope everybody enjoyed. If you love more of this in the future, let me know if I should do more indoor videos or if I should do more outdoor videos. And just like that, we're all done for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more. Also, let me know what you'd like to see next. In the top right is my Come Clean with Eric Clean Motivation in Under 15 Minutes video. And as always, Eric Clean! Let's keep it going, Eric Clean!